Welcome back. If you just watched my last video, you know that I just ordered this keyboard and mouse from eBay because I had picked up this PowerPC G3 from a thrift store a couple weeks ago and just now ordered the keyboard and mouse for it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually test it. So let's just get on with that. I'm using this really crappy Sony monitor that has a line in it. Got a Happy Mac dude on there. Booting up to OS 8.6. And while that's doing that, give me a second. Okay, I really wish my camera would allow me to change the flash while it's running. So now I have to do this in 2 stages. Now when I powered on this computer, I didn't have a keyboard and mouse. So I ended up having to crash it because it didn't want to work from the power button. So, let's see what she's going to do here. And now I'll actually be able to tell what this computer really is. Hopefully. So far this keyboard and mouse seem to work great. So, let's see here. So, this thing is starting up. It is OS 8.6, which I really know nothing about. I just now noticed there's a little tag on that says phone. Don't know why. Picked this up at a thrift store for $1. Figure it works alright for testing things. Alright, my date and time are not set. Let me plug a network cable in real quick. Now, I'm pretty sure that having basically 3 routers on one network here is not what some would consider to be normal. But, alright, so this thing seems to have locked up on me. Unless I just unplugged the, no, I did not. Alright, let me figure out what just happened here. I'll be right back. Not really sure what happened, but I did have to crash it. Guess we'll find out what's going on now. But on the plus side, the keyboard and mouse seem to work just fine. I'm wondering what the newest OS I can install on this is. So, I'd like to do an update, because I saw a couple things on here I wouldn't mind keeping, like a couple Photoshop programs and some other stuff. Uh-oh, my cat just found a box that happens to be full of packing peanuts. trying to fix that. Alright, what's it, 2014? And what do we have here? Okay. I'm not even really sure what today's date is, but I'm just going to say it's 9th, just for the sheer hell of it. I don't really care about the time. And I know it's like 5 in the morning. Actually, I think it's close to 6, so. Alright. Good, so that's all been saved. Alright, this is a virus scanner of all things on a Mac. Let's go to the Finder. What about this computer? Now, of course, it doesn't tell me. It says built-in memory, 128 meg. It's not telling me anything I really want to know. Like what this computer is. You got Photoshop 6.0 on here. Internet Explorer on here. Let's see what. Let's see if I can actually get online with it. Still in something. Try. Now, is it actually? I'm not gonna run a virus scan on a freaking Mac, okay? If I lock this thing up. Alright. Not really sure what's going on here, to be honest with you. And it's locked up again. Alright. Yeah, this does seem to be slightly unstable. Gotta do some research. Find out what the newest version of Mac OS I can run on it is. I'll try to do that. I'm just trying something real quick here. That's not it. Yeah, because I've got several other old Macs. Actually, I think I've got a 9.2. Is it 9.2? 9.6? Whatever. No, this is 8.6. I don't know which 9 one it is. I know I have one that came factory with a G3 iMac. A 233 megahertz G3 iMac. And maybe I can put that on it. But this particular G3, like I said, I got at a thrift store. Paid $10 for it. I mean, I like these vintage computers, so that's what I do. But it's good to know that this works, and so does the keyboard and mouse. That's definitely a good. Definitely be giving them a good review on eBay. I don't know what this little P logo is up here, right above the Mac drop-down window. Has anybody ever seen that? Oh, okay. Think I got you now. Now I have a couple older games that say they work with this. Junk, kill this. I'm sorry. That's just the first time I noticed that. This machine was definitely used in 2003. I'm really afraid I might be showing some people's information here, and I need to not do that. So I'm going to point the camera this way. Oh, okay. Let's just close. How is that? How convenient is that? This file is called Identity Theft Day, and it was left in a machine that went to the thrift store completely open. Looks like this was used relatively regularly up to 2006. Landfill information. Okay. They apparently expanded our landfill. Let's see what else. Apparently this is somebody named Bill. I'm not going to look at his information. Looks like it might have been from a newspaper or something. Previous system folder. Let me see here. I can't remember how to do this on. Is it? Click one of these buttons on my keyboard with my toe. You see how large this hard drive is. 11.2 gigs available. What do we have down here? That's it? Let's get you all the way down here if we have to. Will this actually bring up the internet? Is the question of the day. Just hit stop. And do google.com. Don't mind me, my back is really spasming really bad. Excuse me. It looks like it's doing it. Maybe. No. I might have my... Then again, my network is very oddly configured, to say the least. Let's just bring up Photoshop for the sheer heck of it. This is one of the reasons I want to... Oh, this was used by today's Sunbeam. The newspaper used to be in Salem County. They actually consolidated that into several different other newspapers. I think it's now called the South Jersey Times or something. Open recent. Well, Bill, I got your old iMac, or not old iMac, old G3, and I'm going to take care of it. In fact, I'll make it bigger and better than it ever was before. So, like I said, I want to see if I can just update this and get rid of his old information. I don't know if I can. I would like to, and this time it's actually going to be shut down on purpose. But what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and shut this down, upload it, and get ready to get some breakfast and go to sleep. Thank you for watching. Thank you for, being part of this. And have a great day.